The occlusal surface is reduced to a depth of 1 mm using a parallel-sided medium grit round-ended burr. The natural outline of the cusp slopes must be followed to maintain resistance form. Occlusal reduction is then checked using a putty matrix to ensure adequate reduction. The functional cusp bevel is carried out to a depth of 1.5 mm on the buccal cusp slope. Following occlusal reduction, the surface is refined using a fine grit burr. Interproximal reduction is carried out using a fine point medium grit burr. The handpiece is supported with the free hand at all times, and a smooth continuous action is used to avoid damaging the adjacent tooth. This is then repeated for the distal surface. The interproximal margin is then prepared to a 0.5 to 1 mm chamfer using a parallel-sided medium grit round-end burr. A smooth action is employed and the handpiece is supported with the free hand at all times. The buccal surface and margin is prepared to a depth of 0.5 to 1 mm. A chamfer margin is achieved using a parallel-sided round-ended medium grit burr, and a smooth action with the handpiece supported by the free hand at all times ensures that the margin is prepared as smoothly as possible. The lingual surface is prepared to a depth of 0.5 to 1 mm and a chamfer margin employed using the parallel-sided medium grit round-end burr. Again, a smooth action is used and the burr handpiece is supported at all times.